So, this is Chris with the 61 Shasta Deluxe. This is my $10 Made in America. Let's turn it this way. Made in America jack. It's a ram jack. There we go. So, to get the hole, I used a hole saw here, and if you guys have to do this and make your hole bigger, they have numerous different sizes that you can get. I had to do the top and the bottom. So we have like little bunnies visiting us. Squirrel right there. Alright, so to make the hole, there was already a hole there, so I had to make a jig, and this is pressure treated. This is from the old, this hole, and these two are from the old jack, the original jack, which I still have, and I have another parts jack that I was going to try to restore it and bring it back, and I may end up doing that, but for now I need a jack on my trailer. So I put this on here and I clamped it down, and clamped it down very well. So now this hole is my guide, or my jig, and then I just started up here slowly. Just go really slow and use lots of oil, and it blew through that easily. And then for the bottom one, it's the same thing, just put the board on the bottom. So now I've got heavy duty grade 8 stainless steel bolts and nuts and so forth. So now this right in here, like so. This is accessible. This is going to get painted and such. One will go there. One will go there. Making a video. We got 6 deer in the field, she just said. They just cut all the corn. Opportunity barn. Let's zoom in on the rabbit. Yes, we have rabbits running around the barn. So this will be like so. It'll be centered. I can bolt them down. I'm going to repaint all this. This scuffed because I had this on the side and I was holding it up temporarily, but I'm going to repaint all that. Unfortunately, when it tipped, I did a little damage here, but I'm going to pound that all out and repaint it. It'll be easy to touch it up. So I know this is a quick video. We're going camping this weekend, so I wanted to get that done. Big Pittsburgh jack's been holding it up. Gotta get that back inside. So anyhow, that's how you do it. Make sure you have a good guide. Don't use a cheap piece of wood. Use like a piece of pressure treated or something. Use your hole saw blade. Lots of oil. I've got the foot right here. It'll go on the bottom. Like so. So I'm Chris. This is the 61 Shasta. That's a Scotty. That thing is in rough shape. That's the American flag. This is an old monitor. So anyhow, for watching. So I was questioning this metal plate, steel plate. You would think that it would go underneath this, because then all the weight is going to set on this, not relying on 3 bolts. But the original one was the same way. It set right on top and then you bolted it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm leaving this one and this one. I'm just going to screw those down, tighten those down, because eventually my plan is to redo the original one and then put that one back in. But for now, I need this. I need it to make the hole bigger, and I need to put this in. And it'll work. The other thing is, on the original jack, this cranks this way in front, but the original one cranks on the top. So it's actually a little bit higher. So for $10, I can't complain. I mean, these things, a good USA one is brand new, is worth quite a bit. So, but yeah, we'll tighten them down, and then I'm gonna clean it up and put some paint on it. Made with pride in the USA. I like to see that.